National Weather Service Office in State College, Pennsylvania. The tones you just heard were a test of the specific area message decoding and phone alert systems. During dangerous weather events, NOAA weather radio receivers can be activated by these systems. A message with information about a watch or warning will follow. Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message decoding and phone alert systems. Here's the hazardous weather outlook for the following counties: Adams, Cumberland, Juliana, and Perry. For today and tonight, no hazardous weather is expected at this time. And now the extended outlook for the period Thursday through Tuesday. The probability for widespread hazardous weather is low. Here is the daily climate report for Lancaster, Pennsylvania. The high temperature yesterday in Lancaster was 64 degrees. The 24-hour low ending this morning was 23, producing a mean temperature of 44. The average high temperature for today is 53 degrees. The average low is 33. 0.00 inches of precipitation has been recorded over the last 24 hours ending this morning. An approaching warm front will continue to slowly lift northeast and spread increasing and thickening clouds into the Commonwealth throughout the day. The warm front will bring a period of scattered showers to western Pennsylvania during the day today, with more widespread showers arriving from the west later this evening. High temperatures this afternoon will range from the lower 50s and higher elevations of the Allegheny Plateau to lower 60s in the southeastern part of the state this afternoon. A very mild night is in store with temperatures 15 to 20 degrees above average. Lows will be in the mid to upper 40s statewide. Rain will continue on Thursday with breezy winds. A thunderstorm cannot be ruled out across much of the Commonwealth as the unstable air mass moves through. Locally heavy rainfall could result in some ponding on roadways and poor drainage flooding across western Pennsylvania. Highs Thursday afternoon will range from the upper 50s across the north to low 70s near the Mason-Dixon line. Cooler temperatures arrive on Friday as a cold front moves into Maryland. Rain chances on Friday will be focused across the southern portion of the state. Saturday will see more rain for most of the region before drier weather moves in for the second half of the weekend. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Perry, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties, including the city of Harrisburg. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. Highs around 60. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. A chance of showers after 4 a.m. Rainfall amounts less than 1/10 of an inch. Lows in the upper 40s. South winds 5 to 10 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday, warm. Mostly cloudy with a chance of showers. Rainfall amounts around 1/10 of an inch. Highs in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 10 to 15 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, mild. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers through 2 a.m. Showers likely after 2 a.m. Rainfall amounts less than 1/10 of an inch. Lows in the mid-40s. West winds 15 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Chance of rain 70%. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Adams, York, and Lancaster counties, including the cities of York and Lancaster. Rest of today, mostly cloudy. Highs around 60. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Tonight, mostly cloudy. A slight chance of showers between 2 a.m. and 4 a.m. A chance of showers after 4 a.m. Rainfall amounts less than 1/10 of an inch. Lows in the upper 40s. South winds 10 to 15 miles an hour. Chance of rain 40%. Thursday, warm. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers through 2 p.m. Rainfall amounts around 1/10 of an inch. Highs in the upper 60s. Southwest winds 15 to 20 miles an hour. Chance of rain 50%. Thursday night, mild. Mostly cloudy. A chance of showers between 2 a.m. Showers likely after 2 a.m.